In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in HubSpot. Whether you're reaching out to customers, launching a new product, or simply wanting to get in touch with your audience, HubSpot provides a comprehensive platform to manage your email campaigns efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and open HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account because all your campaign functionalities will stem from there. Once you're in, the next step is crucial: navigating to the trial guide. The trial guide is a fantastic resource within HubSpot that offers all the necessary tools and tips you'll need for building and launching a successful email campaign. It's your go-to hub for resources, so don't skip this step. With the trial guide as your companion, let's move back to your homepage. Now here comes the fun part. Let's get into the email marketing process. On your homepage, you'll want to click on Marketing. This will redirect you to a series of options. From there, click on Email. As you do that, you're opening up HubSpot's email management system where you'll be creating your campaign. Once you're in the email section, find the Create Email button and give it a click. You're setting the stage for your email campaign. A prompt will appear asking you to choose the type of email you want to send out. Go ahead and choose Regular. This option is perfect for typical email campaigns where you want a straightforward message that speaks directly to your audience. Next, click Next to proceed. Now comes one of the most exciting parts: choosing your email template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates, each designed to fit different styles and purposes, from newsletters to announcements. Think of the template as the backbone of your email's appearance. It's where your creativity can really shine. Choose a design that resonates with your message and don't hesitate to customize it until it aligns perfectly with your vision. After selecting and customizing your template, it's time to set everything up properly. Click on Setup. This section allows you to configure the details of your email, things like subject line, preview text, and sender information. These elements are not just technical details, they're how your email makes its first impression in your recipient's inbox. Make sure everything is accurate and compelling. Once you've set up your email details and feel confident that it's ready to go, the final step is to click Review and Send. This is your last chance to glance over everything. Ensure there are no typos and that all links work. Take a moment to review the content, layout, and any personalized features you might have added. If everything looks perfect, you're ready to send your campaign out into the world. Creating and managing an email campaign in HubSpot doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these steps, you'll be able to craft an effective message that reaches your audience loud and clear. Happy emailing!